Dear students, Jai Hind. Today we will study exercise 7.2 permutations and combinations, in which we will study concept of factorial. Factorial n is written as n. There is a line, then vertical, then horizontal. In your book, it is written as n and exclamation mark in front of n. But don't use this version. This is printing method. You will use only this symbol. For example, if we write n minus r plus 1 factorial, this is simple. Line extend up to here. It indicates that n minus r plus 1 all are in factorial symbol. In this symbol, this can be written as n minus r plus 1 exclamation mark. Unfortunately, if you will write like this n minus r plus 1, you will receive 0 marks. So therefore, don't use this symbol, because there is a probability that instead of writing this, you simply write this and you will receive 0 marks. Therefore, it is simple method. Write n minus r plus 1 or anything which are going in factorial. Draw vertical lines, extend up to base. This is method of writing factorial. Now, what is the value of factorial n? Factorial n is equal to 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into n minus 1 into n. Product of numbers from 1 to n is called factorial n. For example, factorial 4 is equal to 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 is equal to 24. Factorial 3 is equal to 1 into 2 into 3 equal to 6. Factorial 2 is equal to 1 into 2 is equal to 2. Factorial 1 is equal to 1 equal to 1. Factorial 0 also become equal to 1. We will explain this concept in next chapter in binomial. Remember that factorial 0, factorial 1 are both equal to 1. Factorial of negative quantity is not defined, or we can treat them as 0. That is, factorial of negative quantity can be treated as 0, although negative factorial is not defined. This is meaning of factorial. Factorial 5 is equal to 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 is equal to 120. Now, factorial 5 also can be written as 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 from here. Now, 1 to 4 is written as factorial 4 into 5. Simply can be written as 5 into factorial 4. In general, this can be written as factorial n is equal to n factorial n minus 1. Take out number inside factorial outside. Number inside will be reduced by 1. This also can be written as n into n minus 1 into factorial n minus 2. You can proceed in this way up to factorial 1. Now, based on this concept, you have exercise 7.2. First question is given as evaluate factorial 8 is equal to 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8. Evaluate yourself in your copy. Your question number 3 is given. Evaluate factorial 8 divided by factorial 6 into factorial 2 can be written as, here factorial 6 is given in denominator, so therefore don't write factorial 8 like 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8. Factorial 8 can be written as 8 into 7 into factorial 6 divided by factorial 6 into, expand this factorial 1 into 2. Factorial 6 become cancelled. If you have any problem at this point, factorial 8 can be written as 8 factorial 7, which further can be written as 8 into 7 into factorial 6. Using the concept factorial n is equal to n factorial n minus 1. Take number inside factorial outside, number inside factorial reduces by 1. Is equal to factorial 6 become cancelled. 2 4 ja 8, 4 into 7 is equal to 28. This is answer. Now question number 4. 1 upon factorial 6 plus 1 upon factorial 7 is equal to x upon factorial 8. Find the value of x. This implies what? One upon factorial 7, 1 upon factorial 6 plus 1 upon 7 into factorial 6. In this cases, in questions like this pattern, when there are different factorials of different numbers, reduce all factorial into smallest factorial. It is 6, factorial 6 will be written as such. It is 7, write factorial 7 as 7 into factorial 6 is equal to x upon, here is factorial 8, can be written as 8 into 7 into factorial 6. Now multiply both sides by factorial 6. Factorial 6, factorial 6, factorial 6. All factorial 6 will be removed from denominator of both sides. This implies 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon 7 is equal to x upon 8 into 7. Here 7 is present at two places. This implies 7 upon 7 plus 1 upon 7 is equal to x upon 8 into 7. Now again 7 become cancelled. This implies 7 plus 1 8 8 by 7 is equal to x by 8 into 7. 7 become cancelled. 8 ja 64 implies x is equal to 64. This is your answer. Now you also solve all questions of exercise 7.2, and if you have any unsolved problem, you will ask the same with me without any hesitation. Thank you.